In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize a table in Microsoft Word. Working with tables is a common part of creating organized documents, whether you're preparing reports, lists, schedules, or structured data. However, sometimes tables don't automatically fit the page or the content inside them, which can make your document look messy or difficult to read. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides a simple feature that allows you to automatically resize your table so that it adjusts perfectly to your content or the width of the page. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and locate the table that you want to resize. Once you find the table, click anywhere inside it. When you do this, additional table tools will appear on the ribbon at the top of the screen. These tools give you access to a variety of options that allow you to manage and customize your table. After selecting the table, move your attention to the Layout tab under Table Tools on the ribbon. This tab contains several commands related to adjusting rows, columns, alignment, and table size. Within this section, look for the option labeled AutoFit. The AutoFit feature is specifically designed to automatically adjust the size of your table based on certain conditions. Click on the AutoFit button and a small menu will appear with a few different resizing options. One option allows the table to automatically adjust based on the content inside each cell. When you choose this option, Microsoft Word will resize the columns so that the text inside them fits more naturally without unnecessary extra space. Another option allows the table to automatically adjust to the width of the page. When this option is selected, the table will stretch or shrink so that it fits neatly between the page margins. This can be especially useful when you want your table to look clean and evenly spaced across the document. You may also see an option that keeps the column width fixed. This prevents Word from automatically resizing the columns while you type, which can be helpful if you want to maintain a consistent table layout. After selecting the option that best suits your needs, Word will immediately apply the changes and resize the table automatically. If necessary, you can repeat the process and choose a different AutoFit option until the table appears exactly the way you want. Using the AutoFit feature is one of the quickest ways to make tables look more professional and organized in Microsoft Word. It saves time and ensures that your table adjusts properly without requiring manual resizing of every column. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.